Synthetic division is a technique that takes advantage of what we did in long division, and when we change signs to subtract, that happens in each step in long division. So what's going to happen, let me show you with synthetic division. For example, suppose you're asked, as an example given, to divide the polynomial 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1, and you're going to divide that by x minus 1. Now normally we could have worked this with long division, but synthetic division is a shortcut. We write the divisor, in this case it's x minus 1, as x minus r. And whatever that r value is, not including the minus in front, that's going to go in here. So we're going to set this up with coefficients. In this case, the r value is 1, because it's x minus the 1 is there. So we've got the x minus the 1. And now in descending order, not to miss any power of x, we go like this. The coefficient of x cubed is 4. The coefficient of x squared, negative 3. The coefficient of x, positive 3. The constant, negative 1. We'll now do the steps. The first step for synthetic division is you bring down. So we are going to bring down, in this case, the 4. Next step is we're going to multiply. So we're going to multiply 1 times 4 and put that in the next column. Once we have the 4 in the next column, our next step is we will add. Negative 3 and 4 is going to be 1. We then are going to proceed to constantly multiply and add, multiply and add. Continuing this, 1 times 1 is 1. We put that here, and then we are going to add. We're going to add 3 is 4, and then we're going to multiply. 1 times 4 is 4. And now we add negative 1 and 4, which is 3. And that's 3. Now what that's telling us is we started with an x cubed, then we had an x squared, an x, and we had the number. At the end, we're going to have 1 power less. So it's going to be an x squared, how many x's, how many numbers, and this will be our remainder. So for this problem, we get that our answer is when we took 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 3x minus 1, when we divided it by x minus 1, our answer comes out to 4x squared 1x plus 4, and then the remainder is 3, and we write it as 3 over x minus 1. That's synthetic division.